Hello students, Standard 7th, Chapter number 9, Rational Numbers, in which we learn about the rational numbers. Also, the operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, etc. In which exercise 9.2, question 1 and 2 were finished. So let's start with question number 3. Find the product. So the multiplications are there. Let's take the first question. That is 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. Now in multiplication we know that we don't need to find the LCM of the denominator. When we add or subtract the rational number, that time only we need to find out the LCM. Here very simple, the numerators are multiplied in the numerators, denominators are multiplied in the denominators, and if there is no common factor, just multiply 9 sevens are minus 63 upon 4 twos are 8. So that will be your final answer. Maybe the answer is given in mixed number also, but if you write down this one also, it's fine. The second question is 3 upon 10 multiplied by minus 9. We learned when we discussed about the multiplication that when we multiply a rational number with an integer, then integer will be multiplied only with the numerator keeping the same denominator. So here 3 will be multiplied by minus 9 and 10 will be as it is. So there is 3 nines are minus 27 upon 10. That will be your final answer. Let's take the third one. Third one is minus 6 upon 5 multiplied by 9 upon 11. Here also there are no common factors in the numerator and denominator. So is equal to minus 6 multiplied by 9. It means that numerators are multiplied in numerators and the denominators are 5 and 11. The product of them will be written in the denominator. And then we multiply the digits. 6 nines are 54, so minus 54 upon 11 fives are 55. So in multiplication it is little easier because here we don't have to make the rational number with same denominator. Just we have to simplify if there are common factors in the numerator and denominator. Fourth one is 3 upon 7 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5. So the numerators 3 and minus 2 are multiplied in the numerator of the product, and 7 into 5, 7 multiplied by 5, means those both denominators are multiplied in denominators. So now 3 2s are minus 6 upon 7 5s are 35. That is your final answer. Fifth one. The fifth one is 3 upon 11 multiplied by 2 upon 5. So here also it's very simple. The numerators are 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 are multiplied in the numerators as 3 multiplied by 2. And in the denominator 11 and 5 are there. So 11 multiplied by 5 is written in the denominator. So now in the numerator 3 2s are 6 upon 11 5s are 55. That is the final answer of it. Let's do the sixth one. 3 upon minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 upon 3. So here 3 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by 3. But here you can see that in the numerator and denominator there is 3 common factors. Minus 5 and minus 5 are also common factor. So that is, when everything is cancelled, then only the 1 will be remaining. So 3 ones are 3, minus 5 ones are minus 5. So we cancelled them. So in the final, the 1 is remaining. Therefore, here the final answer will be 1. So the multiplication is very, very simple like that. Now, the last question. Find the value of. So here there are some examples for the division. So let us understand that one. Minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. Now we know that dividing the rational number means to multiply with the reciprocal of the other one. So that is minus 4 multiplied by reciprocal of 2 upon 3. That is minus 4 multiplied by, what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? It is 3 upon 2. We have to switch over. Means denominator goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. Means 3 upon 2. So that is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Because here we can see that minus 4 is in the numerator, so it cannot be multiplied with the denominator, only with the numerator. And here 2 2s are 4. So answer is minus 2 3s are 6. Upon there is nothing. So minus 6 is the answer. Second one. Now it's not necessary to write down that step. You can directly write down. You have to convert it, divide into multiplication, and then write down the reciprocal of the number which is after the division sign, not before that. Second one. Minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. So now what will we do here? Minus 3 by 5 will be as it is. Division is converting into multiplication, and then reciprocal of 2. We know that reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. So you don't need to write down that. You can directly make division to multiplication and reciprocal of the second number, keeping the first number as it is. So now is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 1, 5 multiplied by 2. There is no cancellation here. So then minus 3 ones are minus 3 upon 5 2s are 10. So minus 3 upon 10 will be your answer. So in the division, just a few things to remember. That division sign is converting into multiplication, and the next rational number after the division sign is getting switched over, means reciprocal is there. Third one is minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 3. So that is minus 4 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon minus 3. So here minus 4 multiplied by 1 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 4 upon minus 15. But we know that when there is minus sign both numerator and denominator, we can cancel it to make them like that. So it will be plus 4 upon 15. Fourth one is minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. Up to now we saw that one of them was rational number, other was integer. But now here both the numbers are rational number. In this situation also we have to follow the same rule. But be careful, don't write down reciprocal of the first number. First number is as it is, minus 1 upon 8. Divide by is converted into multiply, and reciprocal of 3 upon 4 will be 4 upon 3. That is minus 1 multiplied by 4, 8 multiplied by 3. Here you can see that 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So that is minus 1 upon 2 threes are 6. That is the answer. Fifth one is minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. So here minus 2 upon 13 we will keep as it is, and then in place of division we will write down multiply, and then reciprocal of 1 upon 7. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 7? It is 7 upon 1, but you can write down only 7 also. So now minus 2 multiplied by 7 upon 13. So 7 twos are 14. So minus 14 upon 13. Let's do the sixth one. The sixth sum is minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. Minus 2 upon 13. So, also very simple. Minus 7 upon 12, we don't have to make any changes. Divide is converting into multiplication, and reciprocal is 13 upon minus 2. So that is minus 7 multiplied by 13, 12 multiplied by minus 2. 13 sevens are minus 91 upon 12 twos are 24. Now both are minus sign, so you can cancel the sign and put a positive sign, or don't put any sign. And the last sum now, we are going to do the last sum. 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. So here 3 upon 13 as it is, and then in place of division, multiplication and reciprocal of it is 65 upon minus 4. So that is 3 multiplied by 65, 13 multiplied by minus 4. We know that 13 5s are 65. So 3 5s are 15 upon minus 4. That will be our final answer. So division is same as multiplication, just one step is that we have to convert the division into multiplication, and the number after the division sign is getting switched, means its reciprocal is there, and then same that we did in the multiplication. So here we are finishing the exercise and the chapter. In the PDF I will give you some more questions for the self practice also, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.